How to turn off HDR effect on REDnote app. Hello everyone, this is Sabrina here to help you today. So without any further ado, let's get right into the video. First, launch your REDnote application. Then, tap on your profile icon from your bottom right corner. Now, go to Settings. After that, go to General Settings. Now, in order to turn off HDR effect, you will see an option in the fourth line of the function table. Turning off HDR will make the best use of your data, but it will degrade the quality slightly. If you are okay with it, simply toggle this off, and if you do not see the red button, you are good to go. So that's it. Thank you for watching this video. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our YouTube channel. If you got any questions, comment them down and I'll catch you in the next one.